Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and today we're going to be looking at a few different coil spring options available for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX, so let's spring into it. As you can see, we have two brands that need no introduction, H&R and Eibach, but let's start with the H&R. These are the H&R Sport lowering springs. This kit lowers the front 1.1 inches while lowering the rear 1 inch. H&R is manufactured in Germany and comes with a premium epoxy powder coat for corrosion resistance. Also, H&R offers a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty against defects. Next up is the Eibach Pro Kit. These springs lower the front of your car 1 inch while lowering the rear 1.1 inch. The Pro Kit comes in a standard black powder-coated finish, and like all Eibach products, they are made in America and offer a 1,000,000-mile manufacturer's warranty. Finally, if you're looking to put your car closer to space and further away from the ground that we live on, then check out the Eibach Pro Lift Kit. This kit offers the same quality coating and build quality as all other Eibach springs, but this time raises your vehicle by 1.5 inches front and rear to give you better clearance to fit a more aggressive wheel and tire for better off-road capability. Thanks for taking a look at a few different coil spring options available for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. For more products just like this and thousands more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals in the world and on the web, and we will catch you on the next one.